Good morning, dear students. This is Kiran sir's voice. In last 2-3 periods, we discuss about the extreme weather. This is the very unusual lesson, and this is easy to understand. There is a weather conditions. Now, last 2-3 periods, we discuss about the hottest and coldest weather, as well as driest and wettest weather. Now, blizzard weathers also we can study it in last period. Now, today we are going to deal page number 58. So, students, open your textbook, page number 58. This is lesson extreme weather. Okay. Unsurprisingly, the majority of these idioms contain reference to rain. Unsurprisingly, the majority of these idioms contain reference to rain. Idioms in last period we discussed about the US's language, English language, and UK's English language having a difference between that because there are some weather conditions. Because of that weather conditions, they making the different idioms. Now see the rainy days in London. So this is the rainy days you can see in this video. The weather can be powerful and dramatic. Spectacular storms with thunder that booms and lightning that cracks across the sky. Everyone understand that when is a lightning happen there is a we feel that cracks across the sky. Whirlwind in the form of tornadoes, water spouts, and land spouts. As well as when rain coming, there are some land spouts. ज़मीन का खच्चीकरण होना, लैंड्स बड़े तादाद में आना, टोर्नाडोस एंड तूफान आना, ये सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पर भी हो जाती है. Blizzards and heat waves. Sometimes there are also blizzard weather events. अनयूजुअल वेदर के कारण वहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें अनयूजुअली हो जाती है. इन द यूनाइटेड किंगडम you might hear the following exchange. So this is the idioms. These are the sentences regarding the weather conditions. I need some milk. I'm going to walk to the shop. So that's why this is the I need some milk. This is the according to the weather conditions. Okay. Now see the don't forget your umbrella. It's a raining cats and dog. आप अपना अम्ब्रेला मत भूल जाइए बिकॉज इट्स अ रेनिंग कैट्स ऑन डॉग. दिस इज द आइडियम्स रिगार्डिंग द रेनी सीजन रिगार्डिंग द वेदर. इट्स अ रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग इज अ कॉमन आइडियम्स दैट मीन्स इट्स रेनिंग वेरी heavily. So when we are discussing about the UK person, London person, they are going to deal about the cats and dog raining. And meaning of this sentence is that means it's having heavy raining. अब वहाँ पर जोरदार बारिश होने वाली है. That's why they took the idioms with the cats and dogs. Okay. There is no evidence that it has ever actually rained cats and dog, but there are accounts of other animals falling from the sky. Generally, London people talking about the cats and dog, meaning of this sentence or words means heavily raining. But we do not go to the words by words. Cats और dogs की रेनिंग होने वाली है. We do not go for that. There is no evidence that it is ever actually rained cats and dog. Actually cats और dogs बारिश से स्काई से नहीं गिरते हैं. This is the idioms. But there are accounts of other animals falling from the sky. So in a geographical subject, when we are discussing about the raining of with the animals, we can think about that, but we do not think about the cats and dogs. बारिश के साथ साथ बहुत सारे एनिमल्स भी आते हैं. वो जानकारी हमको है बिकॉज वी डिस्कस about that also. Now see the raining fish. What is mean by raining fish? बारिश के पानी के साथ साथ फिश भी गिरना. Okay, so that's why falling from the sky, other animals. This is the meaning of that raining fish. There have been report of fish falling from the sky from various places around the world. There is some messages from the around the world falling the fish and other animals also, including the number of places in India. इंडिया में भी ऐसे प्लेसेस है जहाँ पर रेनिंग फिश होती है और अदर एनिमल्स भी बारिश के साथ साथ आते हैं. In Honduras, they have a yearly Luis Day passes or fish rain celebrations. These are the names of that area. They celebrating the rain celebration, fish rain celebrations, क्योंकि उनके जगह पर, उनके एरियाज में रेन के साथ साथ फिश भी वहाँ पर गिरते हैं. So that's why they celebrating the fish rain celebrations. In Singapore, on 22nd February 1861, fish appeared in puddles after a big rainfall. So in Singapore country, giving the one example for that, this is the date 22nd February in 1861. Fish appear in puddle. Puddles means big hole because of the rain. After the big rainfall के बाद भी वहाँ पर fish appear हुए थे. More recently, there have been reports of fish rain in Bossejo in Canada, Lorette in the Philippines, and in places in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. So these are the some state name in India कि जहाँ पर फिश रेनिंग भी हुई थी. एंड these are the names of other countries. कनाडा में मोजेजा ये प्लेस है वहाँ पर. फिलीपाइंस में भी लोरेटो ये प्लेस है. एंड these are the places in India having the fish raining there. Okay. In 2013, spiders rained down on a town in Brazil. In 2013, spiders rained down on a town in Brazil. ब्राज़ील में भी 2013 में स्पाइडर्स की रेन हुई थी. In 2010, frogs and toads. Frog, everyone knows the meaning of frogs and toads. This is the small animal like a frog. Frog जैसे दिखने वाले small animal. In 2010, frogs and toads fell in Hungary twice. 2 बार हंगेरी में भी 2010 में frogs और toads की बारिश हुई थी. And perhaps most bizarre of all of these, it is said that in Bath, England, in 1894, it rains jellyfish. So jellyfish is the name of fish. उसका भी डिस्क्राइब्स किया गया है कि 1894 में इंग्लैंड में भी जेलीफिश की बारिश हुई थी. वहाँ पर जेलीफिश के कारण लोगों को साथ साथ बारिश के साथ साथ नहाना भी हो गया था. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द एक्सट्रीम वेदर कंडीशन. when we were discussing about this type of atmosphere weather, this happened also in our whole earth. So that's why this is the extreme weather. दुनिया में जहाँ पर भी जाओगे, in having a different atmosphere weather conditions. Okay, so students, today we finish the lessons. Before finish the lesson, these are the Meghalaya. Visit Meghalaya, wonders of water, and after that Morales Mountains. This is the messages from the Meghalaya. So go through these lines, these passages, and try to understand the Meghalaya's beauty, nature beauty. Okay students, I hope you understand properly this lesson. So thank you. Have a nice day.